Right guys, welcome back to the channel. I've got an old lawnmower 240 and sort of blew it up. So I was having a look through eBay and I've come across another lawnmower, a petrol one. And I got it for a bargain price of £11.90 and it was quite local as well. So I've been and picked it up and it's an old Suffolk Punch 43S. And it's not a bad little lawnmower. So what we're going to do today, it's not been started for a while, so we'll go through it and have a look. The accelerator on it, the throttle switch or whatever you want to call it, it's a bit loose, so we'll get into that first. And as you're pulling it, which is here, I think it's a bit seized down the bottom end, so we'll dig into all that first. I'm not even going to clean it, I'm just going to do this video, get it running, won't cut my grass because it's a bit long, and then we'll go from there with it. Not 100% sure what I want to do with it yet, because it is a bit big for my garden, but if we get it running, cut my grass, and then we'll go from there. Whether I just store it till next spring or what, but yeah, so it was a bit of a bargain. So it does need a good clean, like, but we'll get in, we'll get this accelerator moving and fixed, and then we'll try and see if we can see if it sparks, and then we'll chuck some fuel in and get it running, hopefully. So yeah, let's see what this accelerator's doing, or throttle, see if it's seized, and we'll have a good crack at it. Yeah, judging by what that is there, I think that's supposed to move up and down. So that bit. Let's see if we can pry that open a little bit. Chuck some lubricant on it, and then see if we can get that to move. See if we can just, oh yes, there we go. Lovely jubbly. That was quite easy. Cracking. That was easy. What we'll do now is, this is a bit loose here, so I think we'll undo it from the back so we can get it out, and then possibly the screw in the middle has come loose. So yeah, well, that's working sound now. We'll do this, get that spark plug out, see if it's got a spark, and then chuck some fuel in. Let's get that off. Gets broke somehow. I think what we could do at the moment is just stick a self-tapper in there. Just so we can get it to run, and then maybe we can order a new part depending what I'm going to do with it, whether I'm going to keep it or maybe sell it on towards the spring next year, put it in storage. But yeah, let's see if we can just put a self-tapper in it and hope that holds. So yeah, so what I've done, just put a self-tapper in there for now, and we'll have a look on eBay, see if we can get a new part on there. But yeah, it turns easy enough, so that should do the job. So I'm mounting this back on there now, and then I'll come back. We'll chuck a bit of fuel in. Well, we'll see if we can get a spark first. Chuck a bit of fuel in, and we'll go from there. So yeah, sound. Let's get it back on. Right, that's back on. Still very loose, but I say we'll have a look on eBay. I'm sure there'll be another one on there. So let's get the spark plug out. Check for spark, and then we'll chuck some fuel in. That wasn't in very tight, was it? Yeah, it looks quite clean. Give it a bit of a wire brush. That should do to try and get it going. Can't find my plug spanner, so let's see. If we have a spark. Oh yes. Right, now I'll chuck some fuel in and hope for the best. Sound? So, I've got some fuel in. Not sure how the carb works on this, but I was going to squirt some stuff into the carb, but I think I'll just see if it'll run without too much tinkering on the carburetor. So I'm guessing this is the choke. So let's just hope for the best. Don't have an easy start, so. Whoa, hey! Getting a bit there. Way! Wow, yes! Got it going. needs some tinkering about, but the blade's not moving. So this blade's not moving. Whether it's seized or the belt's gone, I'm not sure. But we'll just cover it off and have a look. Hey. I'll start it up and I'll see if I can get the chain, see if we can start it and get the chain to move. So let's give it a go. Right, so chain's not moving. Let's whiz this cover off and see what the plan is. Well, let's see what happens now. I think we're very seized. Keep leaving this. I think this is seized, the actual blade. So it's very tight. So what I'm going to do, I think because it's seized, put the impact gun on it. That's just done the job. Oh, yes. Happy days. What I'll do now, start it up, make sure that works, put it all back together, and then I'll see if it'll cut my glass. Happy days. Sound. Sound. It's got it all working. So put it back together now. See if it cuts grass. then I'll go from there to what I'm actually going to do with it. Whether to clean it up, buy a few parts for it, keep it for next spring and then sell it on, or just clean it up and then keep it for myself. So yeah, let's put it back together. So we're all back together. Does need a good clean because there's that. I think it's just a lot of it's just surface rust. But yeah, it's working. And let's sound. One, I've had a quick look on eBay. They make these switches on there, you can pick them up new or second hand. So I'll get one of them ordered, and then I know it's going to be right then. But yeah, sound. It's a bit late in the day now to be cutting my grass, so I'll do it first thing in the morning, and then we'll go from there with it. So yeah, cheap buy on eBay. Very happy with it. Got it going. Unseized it. The actual blades. Happy days. Let's go and give it a try. Right, so as you can see from that little clip, lawnmower cuts grass. Although it cut out, it was just lack of fuel in there. So yeah, that's all working. Sound. Happy days. Quite made up with it. So come to the end of the video now because you can cut grass. It probably still needs a good carb clean, I said, but I've got it running. I know it works. I know it cuts grass. So yeah. So if you like what I've done, like, subscribe, share, drop some comments down below. Maybe I've done something wrong. Maybe I could do something different. But yeah, happy with it. Thanks very much for watching. See you in the next video. Cheers. Bye.